I am Dr. Mahender R. Patel, 84-year-old, coming from Gujarat state. I am a senior general surgeon working in Kutch, having a surgical practice. Had complaint of labored breathlessness. Actually, I suddenly had this problem. Then I contacted the doctor, my cardiologist. They advised me for angioplasty, which I did it. I got angioplasty done at Ahmedabad before 3 months. I had aortic valve stenosis, required Tavi. I had heard the name of Dr. Ravinder Singh Rao, who is eminent Tavi surgeon at Jaipur. Hence I came here at Jaipur to consult him for further procedure. He gave me the date and I have been operated for Tavi procedure 3 days back by Dr. Ravinder Singh Rao at Rajasthan Hospital, Jaipur. I am feeling much better. I am relieved of all my symptoms. I am grateful to Dr. Ravinder Rao for excellent services rendered to me. And I am now symptoms free. Thank you.